Hi, I'm Keith Tomasevich. I teach two courses at Chandler Gilbert. The courses are ECE 102, Engineering Analysis Tools and Techniques, and ECE 216, which is Computer Aided Engineering. I'm an adjunct. Fears about being an online student are just being able to keep up with the assignments and receiving the notifications and being able to respond in time. Fears about being an online instructor is that I want to make sure that students don't share answers, and how I can eliminate any type of online cheating or things like that so that answers aren't shared between the students. What do I most hope to learn or improve upon as a student is just really to learn how to be a better teacher and enhance my teaching techniques. And strategies that I use now to encourage students to a welcome environment are I use really, we get to know each other the first few days. I have the students break off into groups to learn each other's first name, where the name came from, how the parents may have chosen the name, and then I have them report out to the class. So those are some of the methods that I use.